Kawawa ang baby. Nabuhay talaga. Nabubuhay talaga to na mag-isa. Naka ano pa oh. Parang hindi man lang siya natakot na mahulog siya. Casey? You know what? Ibang-ibang bata to. Yeah. Your sister, you play with your sister, ha?
Diyan na yung mga
Tapos, videohan ko sila na nag-ano, para makita ng daddy. You gonna see, hi daddy!
Hi, Daddy.
It's my birthday party today. You see that one? She's so excited for her party today. See? Her sister really helped and her kuya. Kuya, where's the little girl? Mommy is so busy. Beauty pa rin si Mommy, oh.
Pinapawisan na, beautiful ka pa.
Hey, Mommy! Padala ko to kay Daddy. Daddy was in... Saan ba siya ngayon? Uy!
Eh, sabi ko sa'yo, magalit eh.
Ikaw na lang mag... Hey, Casey! Oh, that was your Casey, girl. Casey! What happened to you, Casey? Pumasok si Casey sa ano? Sa loob ng...
Isa ka pala, Blake. Ano ka sabi?
So, may import ng kuya. Tumutulong. You're eating, ah? You're eating, ah?
Nits!
Kuya! Teka muna, mag-video ako ng kunti.
Casey!
Ow! Ow! Napaka-ano na ni Casey, maglakad.
Galing yung Blake ah!
Who gave that one? Who gave that one? Who gave that? Did you say thank you to Tito Steve? Huh? The birthday celebrant is hiding. She's eating. You say something to Daddy. Come on. I will send to Daddy. Come on.
Hi, Daddy.
Say something. What did you say? What did you say to Daddy?
I miss you.
Ah, you miss. What did you say for your birthday? What did you say? You say thank you or what?
He said thank you.
Oh, you miss your daddy. Are you a good girl sister for Casey? Eh? Oh, you're so cute, the two of you. You're hungry, Casey? Pictura na! Basta birthday ni Grace or party ni Grace, makita ta ang beauty ni Christine sa kusina. Marunong pala mag-chop ng kamatis. Kamatis lang mara.
Maglinis.
Ang beauty ni Grace oh, na ano na.
Dito.
Ito yung mukha na nababaliw si Nico. Hey, Trining! Ano na dyan? Ang dami naman. Anong itad-tad ko, grass? Anong kakatayin ko? Diba pala tayong baboy katayin?
Meron pa, Ate Grace? Marami akong picture.
Oo, marami nga eh. Bigay ko sa'yo. Promise. Kasi may mag-ipa-print ko pag ano.
Kung marami na, ilagay mo sa ref. Oo nga, ba't hindi mo na ilagay sa ref ng amiga?
Kissy! Come on. Get here. Come. Where's Nicole? Where's Nicole? Oh, no, I don't know. You don't know, huh?